Good morning, students. Now I want to explain in general organic chemistry, GOC, what is the introduction, next about the inductive effect, next acidic and basic order, next stability of species, either carbocation or carbonyl or free radical. Next general organic chemistry effects, electron, species and reaction mechanism. First, we discuss about the electron displacement effects. What are the electron displacement effects? One is inductive effect and hyperconjugation, electromeric effect and resonance effect. Electromeric effect is a temporary effect. Inductive effect, what is the inductive effect? This is the take carbon chain X. If you take carbon chain Y. If electronegativity of X is greater than electronegativity of carbon, then electrons attract towards X. It develops partial charge delta minus and delta plus. In case of electronegativity of Y is less than electronegativity of carbon, due to this less electronegativity, it will attract the electrons the carbon chain. This is develop a partial charges either delta plus and delta minus. Here also delta minus and delta plus. This is attract the electron, that's why this is electron withdrawing group. This is donated towards carbon chain, that's why it's electron donating group. It is minus I group, it is a plus I group. What is the inductive effect definition? The displacement of sigma electrons towards more electronegative atom, that is known as a inductive effect. It develops a partial shifting, not complete shifting. It is a partial shifting. Develops partial charges are developed, either delta plus or delta minus, depends upon their electronegativity difference. Next, if it is travels, it decreases with the distance, means up to third carbon. It travels, it decreases with the distance up to third carbon. The effect is more up to third carbon. Each charged species are unstable compared to neutral species. If you take this one, which is more stable, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Fluorine is more electronegative, that's why it is carboxylate ion negative charges charge, it will distribute and attract towards this fluorine side, that's why it stabilizes the COO minus ion. If it is more electronegative, that's why the stability order of these four species, fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than, bromine is greater than iodine. This is the sequence. Thank you students.